Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for joining us on the channel again and cheers for checking this video out. Okay, so out and about, we've sort of got a, well, it's not raining anyway, we'll say a dry day, but it's wet, but it's not raining. So I've come down to Fairhaven skate park and I've brought this with me, which is the team associated MT12 Monster Series truck. It's the second release on the chassis and this is the Monster van. Okay, so I've brought this with us today. Now, about a month back I did have the first release, which sort of looked a bit like a Chevrolet truck, like a mini Tamiya Clodbuster really, it looked a bit like that. Now, back then I wanted to pitch it against another 112 vehicle, the Tamiya Lunchbox, and I never got the chance to do it and I had to sell the other truck on. So when I saw that you were bringing this one out, I thought I'll get one again, because also, besides doing a video on this, I have got basically a lunchbox now, so I can do the video where I put them against each other for a bit of fun, so that will be coming up on the channel at some point. So I'll pick up the box and I'll show you what's on there. There is no difference between this one and the sort of the red Chevy monster truck. I will put a link in the description of this video for that one. Check it out, it'll probably go into a bit more detail. But one thing they have done, apart from putting on this sort of Dodge type style van body in very funky colours, on the truck the wind mirrors just broke looking at them, and these seem to be a bit more rubberised now, or a lot more flexible, so when you crash or if you roll it over or just stare at it, they shouldn't come off. I'm sure you could break them, but I think they stand a much better chance of staying on the vehicle. So that's much better. So they've probably seen a few videos where people have mentioned that. But it looks a cool thing. I'm liking the look of that, really vibrant body. Looks good. So we're going to put it down. But before I do, if you've not seen any of the videos on these trucks, right, it comes as a ready to run, so you get your USB charger, you get a Reedy 850 milliamp 7.4 volt lithium ion battery pack, you get your manual in the box, obviously you get the handset, the only thing you don't get is batteries for the transmitter, and there you go, that is what your chassis looks like. Basically it is the CR12 crawler chassis, but with open diffs for it being a a truck, a four-wheel drive monster truck. Okay. But as I said, I'll just go through some of the features. But other than that, I suggest watching the other video. So it's open and front rear differentials, steel pivot balls. It's got 4-link suspension, servo on chassis steering, steel C-channel frame rail, servo saver, oil-filled shocks which are adjustable. What have we got on there? Black anodized aluminium battery tray, plastic low friction slider type drive shafts. Okay, 16-piece ball race set, 2.4 gig XB radio set, battery and ESC with T-plug, and it's a Reedy brushed 380 motor. Anyway, enough of that. Let's just shove this out of the way a minute. Let's give it a bit of a drive. Now, I was thinking it might struggle, with only being a 380 motor, it might struggle to do some of these, but I did a pre-test, hence it was already out of the box, and we'll go and see if we can make it up again. Hey, oh, well, it would have done it, but that was just my driving that. Try it again, shall we? Oh no, what's happened? Because I'm filming it. We stood here and I did it a minute ago, literally. I'm not having that. Sort of, yes. Oh, now the trick is, can I reach that and not break my neck? I've got the worst shoes on in the world. No, can't get it. Oh no. I need to get it. I can't get my truck. Oh dear.
Do you want to start again?
Eh?
Do you want to start again?
No, I don't want to start again. Oh. got it. See, it's much more funny leaving that in the video. Right. Anyway, it will go up that anyway. Let's go over here. Probably a bit more doable. I actually thought I'd rolled it and I couldn't see it then. Yeah, it's cool. I like the steering on this. It's nearly, oh dear, nice and responsive. I've soaked it. I do apologise if you can hear little voices in the background. That's my little lad. Hopefully he might be a cameraman one day for me. Oh, rolled it. So the wheelie's quite a lot, which is good. And you can flip it over without even doing anything. That's it. There it is. I must admit, I don't usually do videos at skate parks because, well, it's just not my sort of thing. But I thought this would look good at the skate park. And for me it's a bit different, so that's why we're here, and I've just rolled it over. Like a donkey. That was rubbish, wasn't it? You can clearly tell I don't drive on skate parks very often. At least it lands on its wheels. Hey, it saved it. Save it. But yeah, and see, look, it's proof as well. The wing mirrors stay on. The wing mirrors stay on. So yeah, that's good. That's a good thing. Battery wise, I think you're probably going to get something like 15-20 minutes of use out of it before charging it again. Now, you probably could fit a little small brushless motor in this, I'm sure, if you wanted to. Oh look, it did it that time. I think it's because the tyres were maybe not as wet, I don't know. It does roll quite a bit. At least the body's pretty tough. Yeah, it's good fun actually. The other video I did with this, with the truck, we were just driving over some old banger bodies because it's a monster truck. But yeah, I'm glad I brought it here now. It's definitely fun. So what we need to do is we need to bring this back out and probably not here, but get it out with the what do you call it? The lunchbox or the Mitsubishi Piero, which to make it a bit fairer, because the Piero is not a modern chassis, I have been doing some more UK Monster upgrades to that, so I'll show you that on that video, maybe another video before then. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we'll, for a bit of fun, we'll pit them together. Anyway, there it is, the Monster van by Team Associated. Now this one, came from Inside Line Models, so a massive thanks to Inside Line Models for hooking us up with this kit. Much appreciated as always, and they've kindly given us a 5% discount code for you to use on anything in their store online. So the code is Andy Rob. No, I've done it again every time. Andy RC5. That's what you need. Andy RC5. I will put the discount code in the video description as well. But yeah, that's the one you need. Andy RC5. That gives you 5% discount across the store online. And yeah, good fun. Lots more stuff coming up because we're gearing up for Christmas as well, and there's lots of more cool vintage releases, so I hope I'll get a couple of them. So yeah, cool. Anyway, cheers for checking this one out. Much appreciated as always. Take care and look after yourself. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and also come check us out on Instagram and Facebook under Andy Robinson RC. And again, massive thanks to Inside Line Models for this. Right, look after yourselves, take care, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.